Carrie Aikenhead. I am a certified teacher and product developer here at Really Good Stuff. And today I want to show you the Learning Success Kit for kindergarten. This kit features an activity book, a guide that will help walk families, teachers, and students through all of these wonderful activities. Each kit has at least 18 different activities, so there's plenty of activities to support your teachers and your students. It features a letter in the front, which is in both English and Spanish, and as well as instructions and ideas to take it further for each of these pieces. This kit features dry erase mats that your kids can take home or you can use in the classroom. They have ELA activities, math activities, and even some social emotional drawing and coloring. These tools will give your kids coping skills, again to support SEL, letter recognition. Our game here gets a little more into math, addition, starting to count with these fun monsters. Our journals, we have one that's practicing letter formation and letter sounds, and one that looks at shapes and patterns, so hitting all those math standards. And we also supply some reading materials that kids can take home and start to develop those ELA skills with rigorous practice. We hope you enjoy them.